I'm going to show you how to play Driving Academy mode on Assetto Corsa EVO in just a few steps. If you find this helpful, please don't forget you can subscribe and leave a like for more. So Assetto Corsa EVO is on early access right now, and by default you can't play this mode, but with the method I'm going to show you today, you will be able to access the beta and play the Driving Academy mode. So to access the beta, you need to go to your library and search for Assetto Corsa. Once you have it right here, you need to right click it and go to properties and then go to betas. Right here, you can see we can enter a beta access code to unlock the private beta. So I'm gonna paste this password, then check the code. And as you can see, the code is correct. And now we can click right here to access the latest version. Now this will start updating the game, and I will be right back after the update. Okay, so now the game has been updated and I'm just gonna launch it normally. And now after opening the game, you need to make sure you go to settings, gameplay, and have the online mode enabled. And after that, you will see how Academy appears. And now we can play Academy, and we also have special events. So that's it. Those are the new features you can access with the beta. I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.